nin koma kakra matches awodo ni bi eto dwa no eno Spain, I know, and so La Liga Matisa, and to Januada Elche, one more any no game as usual, will be a matranka, said Matisa, Ebasono, Espire Barcelona, Motina, Fomini Chata Vigo, and the Ebo Benya Hatifi Bobocono, woman Via Ebona, Yanya, Savia, Homotinafie, and in the Bativo Alaves, they said in Madrid, Ebetina Fomini Rias Sadat, and Editia in Tianoya Matisa, Etojana, Etrada Matisa, Ebasunium, Rio of Via de Betina Fiomo, and I'll take club to be bound. Ebona yenya Rayo Vallecano omoni Atletico enso ebo yebenya Levante womoni Valencia ebona yenya Mallorca Bobokono womoni Ribetis na edisia ni ene yamatisa etodwa etina Monday Night Football yebenya Barcelona omo ekwa akotwa Joruna e ofie na face omo game na tima twene no yamatisa etodwa e La Liga yima na no pay ye kete dem Barca and early did the league log no with the Spanish La Liga 60 part of 58 points and a Cromo lead by Madrid at 57 points and Femiansa Atletico Madrid 45 points but all the same points and Equia Via Bobo Kodomo Tosna not when you read Betis or Toso Enum and so a bantra turn they are killing Mbappe Lotin one no abo goes to do 23 goals not when you Vidat Muruki one Equa 15 goals for her Ferran Torres Equa 12 goals Anti Budme Equa 11 goals now when you Robert Lewandowski 10 goals Lamine Yamal Equa 10 Alberto Marielno and so Ekra I 9 when your border Iglesias Ekra 9 goals Mikel Oyarzabal Ekra 9 goals when you Juan Hernandez when you 8 goals Hafia Ekra 8 goals Alexander Soloff Ekra 7 goals Hugo Doro Ekra I 7 Afe Jog di I Photos and so Photos okay when Ekra I 7 when you Gerard I Moreno when you Ekra 7 Julian Alvarez Ekra 7 and Afe Branta the team and so Eddie Friedlaff Finat when also Ekra 7 goals and a reporter fi La Liga Eddie Eba na oko Italian Serie A na Pisa and now do mutena firma AC Milan Ekwa chobo so mutena me no mo etimo ba ko Ruben lift to 6 wakika no ho wonu enya go Luka Modric enso enya ne de no afi eba na Matisa eba so kobo wo betena firma ne Fiorentina na ebo ni enya SS Lazio mo na Atalanta and eba Inter and Juve game no betwende enteri ya Matisa eba so atinada with Dignity catch one betena firma Sasalo and eba ne enya Cremonese wo ne Genoa eba Parma catch wo betena firma Hellas Verona ne yenya Torino mo ne Bologna and eba Pato Napoli and so any AS Roma and eba no yatinada Matisa eba so Cagliari catch wo ne Lete eba ba ne Mante afi eba wo me league log na Inter and LED 58 points and the Cromo afi wo benya AC Milan wo mo 53 points wo mo toso miensa SS Napoli wo mo 49 points na wanya Juve wo mo toso 9 wo mo 46 when pato enum ne AS Roma wo mo 46 and afi Cromo Boboko no atoso insia wo mo so 41 points no Spanish BBV na pato we Terence Ria said no table no enso esi etia Lautaro Martinez ana Abontrano dodo 14 goals na Equano Christian Pulisic Equa 8 goals Nico Pass Equa 8 Brantani Dine Ade Bato Adesa Duvikas wanu Equa 8 goals Ana Kenan Yades Equa 8 Elho Rosmus Holland wanu Equa 8 Afe Marcus Turam Equa 7 goals Nicolas Ensono Nicola Stovic wanu sum Equa 7 goals Elho give to Oban Equa 7 when Rafael wanu Equa 7 Haka Hanoglu Equa 7 African Davis Equa 7 Elho Ana Ricardo Oslane Wansu Equa 7 eno eja every Italy adi eba ukwa German Bundesliga another Borussia Dortmund Boboko no awoso ntirana ama Menso 5 wobun anso entmante se ugurase enya go Massimiliano Bea enya ne de ansana besibiane ede ba ko account sa ana nkomane ekwa ene matches eba so no bind of fall of a course woman St Pauli na ebo entran for the woman Borussia Manchester Galbert Eddie Sienina Jenya Hamburger SV womu any Union Berlin na ebo wubenya tie di Hofian womu any Freiburg babo na wenya Werder Bremen womu Bayern Munich na ebo Stuttgart any FC Cologne babo any matches etota aye en Tinada Osberg babo ko no betina fie o me hedenium and ebo na yenya RB Leipzig womu Wolfsburg etumi Eddie Sienina na eba no aye league log no dia 54 points and the club Bayern Munich komo and LED 51 points and so ekwa Borussia Dortmund hey Bayern Teton sa no na Dortmund aba top kwabna am say dia AC o Premier League na no abi na AC sisia na 3 points difference and da Bayern Munich and Borussia Dortmund and Swantem yenya tie di Hofian wono e 42 points and yenya RB Leipzig wono 39 points Stuttgart etosunum wono e 39 and Pato Leverkusen tosusia wono 36 points Harry Kane in Toronto wono na early day 24 goals and Ekrano Luis Diaz ekra 13 Dennis Wundaf ekra 11 goals elho Sehu Gurase ekra 11 Haris Tabakovic ekra 10 goals Michael Olise ekra 10 elho Anna Andrea Kamaraj and Sunum ekra 9 goals Afro Benya Brantani Dean Adin Nadim Ameri one ekra 9 goals or Afro Christoph Bungatna and so ekra 8 Wubenya Jonathan Ayabaget one ekra 8 Wanya Maximiliano Bayer one ekra 7 Afro Said Mala one ekra 7 Jean Diamande ekra 7 and Afro Mohamed Amura ekra 7 goals 20 Wayan Koma etota our German Bundesliga and now paying a year catching at Yama with Jumedi so.
Okay, you free Germany na yan twaso el France na mame fatu when say weekend we no your matches are eba so el French leganum na mame fatu when say andro omu 2 games are eba so their chance andro el star we day yenya Monaco team el fie wo ma hyemiensa ema not ate kanu bako na their chance Ivory Coast wo ma brand ten fan Simon Adingra and the cash first go edema Monaco team no and which Simon Adingra at the second go ebe so ansana abrantia fan say Dennis Zakaria about third go edema Monaco and which and Fabrizio Santosi ebenya a consolation goal edema team from Sanonta and Monaco team at Trafie wo mo hyemiensa ema team je from Sanont wo mo te ekanubako elsewhere El Razon Park team from René Elfie wo mo so hyemiensa ema Paris Saint-Germain wo mo ate kanu anase Paris Saint-Germain team no wo mo so ate kanubako na de tense andro PSG wo mo game eba so ewa we no Jordan o my brother fan say Musa Tamari and the cash first goal and my René team no and which Esteban Lapo at the second goal eba so and Sana Ousmane Dembele eba take kanubako and my Paris Saint-Germain and which ye be game no and a Switzerland wo my brother fan Brian Mbolo at the third goal eba so and my René team no eti andro Paris Saint-Germain away from home wo mo so 3-1 and my home side you from René na se uko PSG Luisa andro Paris Saint-Germain ekolusin akufan sembebre e dia ba unim se andro after se PSG game eba na wie no and Ousmane Dembele go post match interview na andro post match interview and Dembele se ya for to bi anim se uye player and my team je from se Paris Saint-Germain na usu ka and my Paris Saint-Germain e wo se uyi yam se ya beti wo bo ne kama and my PSG na wo mo player bia di nemom Dembele gidie pass na nsem amone ma team from se Paris Saint-Germain ebono eno ma enhyira enkoye enti e wo se players no omo ne so se bia be kama and my team ya from se Paris Saint-Germain na according to Ousmane Dembele was se ya fatu obi anim se dintia last season eno ma call kama and my team from se PSG and se players no will be anyone who is selfish will be able and my Paris Saint-Germain minimum this season as will be able and man who anunti and enoma enkoy informa team je from say Paris Saint-Germain and I Ousmane Dembele and which and an manager je fan say Luis Enrique say asem na Ousmane Dembele e kan no e from baby on ne adwene na de betima ka and say game ankoye anunti and abrant for say Ousmane Dembele e be kan sansem no na according to Paris Saint-Germain manager no was he player bi any was so e de che Paris Saint-Germain enti wono de o manager and PSG no what in nine as form will be any sabi nsemu e wo team enti eno Luis Enrique was say eno ma koso e PSG no em say was say oni boys no ekasa na de me say kan cross a meeting eba so before omu game omu bo e tia René no na de tese meeting na eba so no je say manager no e catch players and say this season wo no ma be say players no obi e bo adman ho enti e was say Paris Saint-Germain team no wo ma mo ne mo no so say de no ma be kokama e de ma team eno Luis Enrique kakra financial banana pay no jere won sem ematifo nyina e show no so na nyame adma ene Saturday you were 3 games eba so el French Leganum na about 4 o'clock p.m. el start Orange de Velodrome Olympic Marseille Elfie woman in Strasbourg and ebo and which is 6 o'clock p.m. Lee at Trafie Amuba Brest now for 5 p.m. Paris FC atenafie na omne RC Lens game abaso nyankopon yadma ochina Sunday na ochina 2 o'clock PM le half atenafie omne Toulouse enable and watch Laurent ebo Angers met elfie omne Oze enable na for Olympic Lyon atenafie na omne OGC Nice game abaso na mame Frantumani say after match week 22 and as well match week 21 Paris Saint-Germain about 22 matches with more 51 points and watch RC Lens I'm toss me no go more 49 points and watch Leon toss me and say I'm 42 Olympic Marcel Tossonai go more 39 and watch René Tossonum go more 34 and Afeli go more toss in Sia almost 3 points now the tense Mayor Batte top scorer France now Oko French Ganma Emerson Greenwood and the can watch 13 goals and watch Esteban Lepo and a Fabrantia Jefferson Joaquin Panicelli women in Asha 11 goals after Pavel Soch 10 your Elsin Edward Wesley Said, Osman Dembele, and after Elan Kebal, women in Ashe 8 goals apiece, after Bladley Bacola, Sofiane Diop, Ansu Fati, and after Roman Del Castillo, women swinging Ashe 7 goals apiece, and on a pioneer, they won't send Pina Emma Tiafonia El Shodoso, live on the 104.5 FM, after Yefree, or Maya from France, now Yan Twasso El England, now Oko England a weekend when a FA Cup, run 4 and a Ebaso, now they tell us under 2 games Ebaso. Na Resham team atenafie womo sheba ko ema Estate Town womo Antimante and watch Andra team from the Hull City womo tenafie elusu 4-0 edma the Blues of Chelsea Pedro Neto ebo first goal edma Chelsea Pedro Neto at the second goal eba so after Esteval Willian ebo third goal Ansana Pedro Neto at the third goal and as a fourth goal eba so edma team from the Chelsea and uti Andra Chelsea womo play na first Pedro Neto wobo hat-trick na the me say can say when say ever since I told Bully Mobile no you say Andra game at Chelsea boy no na 105th game consecutively Chelsea abo game woman starting 11 no player BN one with 30 years or more now Chelsea 29 less and no players at Chelsea for no woman selected 105 matches consecutively Chelsea for no woman by player be any 30 years or more and no record Andra Chelsea for and watch Mami Fatu say Pedro Neto Andra na Friday obo hat-trick now you said the last time a Chelsea player obo hat-trick na Friday way back 1909 around here France and I say Wapania first George Helson one and a Sabra Conti Andra Pedro Neto about second player in the history of Tima you're from Chelsea Friday wabo hat-tricker and I'm a player they want some Emma Tifonia El Shonoso and watch William Estevao this season in all competition was a go and Chelsea Premier League was a go Champions League William Estevao was a go and watch FA Cup was a go and FA Carabao Cup and also William Estevao one also as a go and an pino Jerome Sempina Emma Tifonia El Shonoso na Liam Rossinia a Chelsea manager wakasa remember so name the test and Manchester Ebaso FA Cup no your Bolton Wanderers woman at only West Ham United and Ebo Burnley Ebo Mansfield Man City Eternafie or Etihad woman and Salford and Ebo Norwich City Ebo West Brom your Port Vale omne Bristol City and Ebo Southampton Ebo Leicester Aston Villa and Newcastle United Ebo Liverpool Elfie woman Brighton and Hove Albion Nyankopon Yadma Ochina Birmingham City Eternafie woman and Leeds United and Ebo Grimsby Ebo Wolves and which Oxford United and Sunderland Ebo Stoke City Ebo Fulham Arsenal Ebo Wigan Nyami Yadma Monday Macclesfield Eternafie na omne Brentford game abaso na me kan Liam Rossinia wansem one and manager edema team from Chelsea na manager Slenia Japan isanse obaye no we Arsenal game enoma anhina nkoyi na enoma ekoyi edema Chelsea we the Chelsea woman head coach Afanse Liam Rossinia.
I just said to the lads the attitude of the team, the quality they have, they showed in moments on the football we played is fantastic. But what I've really challenged the players on since I've come on is positive reactions to losing the ball or a bad refereeing decision, and I just felt our energy, our pressing, our fundamentals and our values were there tonight, and we could have scored more. But I think Hull are a very good team, and this was a really, really difficult tie. I'm just delighted in the performance.
Okay. Okay, we Chelsea manager France Liam Rossinia and our tenant can and Wichi Oko Itian Stadium Man City of ye one and Sanford enable now opinion first Pep Guardiola Akasa now over FA Cup home say our opinion the Arsenal who and Wajin it's say Arsenal for Eman headache woman the kind of Premier League in so Man City a person Omoji League no now Pep Guardiola say a canon quadia now what is Arsenal one and I got a Premier League top yet City one manager first Pep Guardiola.
If we are fit all the squad like we didn't have last season and we didn't have this season for many months, in knockout stage I don't know what happened because sometimes it's a coin, but in the rest of the competition we can be there. As much we are fit, we have a players. Otherwise, playing every 3 days, 4 days, 3 days, 4 days with a few players, you cannot compete with full competition. I would prefer to be in the position Arsenal than in our position. If I would be in the position, the 4 points in front for the second, the 20 games left, I will not be relaxed.
Okay, we City boss Pep Guardiola and our tenant Gaza was any brass now for the Brita, as baby Arsenal for Dano. Woman the poor positions, woman able to at the Premier League, Edesio Monaso. Now, Mamma Fatu is a Liverpool team, woman so at Nafie, woman and Brighton and Hove Albion and Elbow. Now, I'm slot, I am manager, Edema Liverpool, manager no Akasa, one Brighton and Elbow Elfie, Gentil Liverpool manager, and slot.
We play a very strong Brighton team because I think there are a lot of comparisons between Brighton and us. They absolutely don't deserve to be in the position they're in at the moment. They play so much better than the league table shows. Almost every game they're competitive and deserve more than they get. So yeah, it's another challenge and another. I just said to Tony yesterday evening, it took me a long time before I could fall into sleep because I was constantly considering what options I have for the lineup or what I should.
Okay, the tennis Liverpool manager France Ancelot and our tenant Casa Ocasana Ancelot is Android in one. It sounds like our best possible lineup. Whatever set from Brighton and Hove Albion, it sounds like Brighton for born almost in Bopa and a Liverpool manager France Ancelot and at this time Atuja. Now the tennis the Gunners Arsenal, one manager a Pania France Mikel Arteta. Now Arteta Elfie, one we Ghana Lattice and a Ebo FA Cup Arsenal boss Akasa Yente Mikel Arteta.
An opportunity for the team again with another competition and the history that we have related to that competition. It's amazing. We play at home again, and I'm really excited to recover and go again. Well, they know that every 3 days we are getting so used to playing different competitions, home or away, and we know what that competition means to the club, to ourselves, and go step by step. And when you come to that competition, you have to be excellent on the day, and the rest, the shirt that you wear.
Well, okay, I know you're coming back across Mikel Arteta. Adi tuja ewo dwumadi so na yan twazo akwara fe yan twani yenin komono emfama wa empato so na Arsenal captain reporter mensaka yase Arsenal board no akata Mikel Arteta se de omaye ni de omuntimi nya ni bibia biem esan se player bi opa bia omato e de ama no de eso nya bia wanya excuses bia ni ho biem this year de ase wanya hwe kwa de wanji trophy mfama mo se Premier League no ntima anye pa de report ne tese nya de se omuni opin no ebe agree kra esan league no munim say Arsenal twim kra afi Mikel Arteta ni Arsenal wo mun nam ha matisia league log no emu enso I very close at the city enso timiti emane no your reporter mensa ekafi Arsenal kacha ene Mikel kakra edi ama odwumade so report no etes on transfer almost so ma back no amates expectation bi ope o ma krekre ni nyina diama no player bia so manya enya diama no dia eno no so nya dia betimi abo club no enkoma kakra na Rodrigo Cascante a player Edema City Bobo Kono na no the many Tottenham Hotspur a boy na Tottenham Hotspur no mbo na City LED 2-2 yenim say 2-0 yeti an sa de na kwakoye 2-2 na yapon game na abrante de Rodrigo Cascante say Dominic Solanke ya de say otwa mark yi referee de Jones ande ana tesa abrante de ball na say yapon game na abrante say referee ya onye neutral was it some bobo sa na say referee ka say onye neutral one cause all pick side now so we di Edma team here unfair wo mo football no entimi nkoyenti na no dam wo so mututu na mo ne Tottenham Hotspur ball on don Francho bia referee di Jones na ema sa tutu na ba nka wo mutimi win sa game no and reporter men say Premier League in pay for FA no afena captains the iron the insama wakwa ka no omo edit charges said their bono na Saturdays no mo their bono no up to on the 18th of February so ono ankasa mna me patom ana so mna me tetemo ade kwento akasa ansem no se o tetemo na chese anto asomedia ene ade se fine ebekom ede ama Rodrigo Cascante no reporter mete dwumadi so no ada me baba ka to se Barca for se wo mani nje sa Pau Kubasi go na yase ne nan atra wanya offside no in fact omoso madwere ho eno akwa na Barca for se ankombe openi na wo mu ade niam ko La Liga pay for ka to so officially wo mu ba no ma ba be complain referee no handle game in fact enya de so omo ati referee say esan say Pau Kubasi bo we go no go enya fi no mbe so off na ade na referee kwa wo be do offside wo be tra bo ho 7 minutes no offside ba ku ntimi ne Barca for few say sabio referee no handle game no eniam anko enti referees committee no wo mu kwa complain e de tesa referee no enti up to Monday there say bibi amadia enenem say Barcelona for enya twe asan na ano na Sergio Kun asianka mo bianta say ono nkasa tama doctor declare say na commenti enya de say obetimesi akan Barca nke yambo ne defibrillator say na be obetimesi akan ne ade doctor katen say wenim na so de bona koma ho ebe ha adwene ama brante no retire amunamunu ha na ana brante say since we die ball no wono nkasa football pa de onye na adwene so behebi wo mbobo kwa TV no da hopa so anya de say wo ma na adwene ekoball no so beta na no da o ha do hu say Barca winning why na Emma Barca winning ya sa koda ketwa bi Lamine Yamal no say ene so onya dade na o sa koda na sisi no ma Barca wins no ekoso o koda no hu say da bi akoda ni mbo ne bonti ene sanya football no endo na kono no wasansa se na o hebo enti wo so no Lamine Yamal na esan Emma ne sa se na ni be di football ti kakra esan so compare at the age ene dia Lamine Yamal aye at the same age na ono ne time no went be anya sa de no enti wanya akoda bi o ye sa de na ne so de na adwin nyina enso edidi akoda na ti wase na ni ade papa de wa akoda no enso efa susia kan atene time no no enso esa se na nya sa anana niama ete edema no no eye report ampato Sergio Kun City anafe Barcelona legend edi eba ewo dwumade so na no pay make take kakra edi ama na Avero Abelua kwabna yesi mad the players na captain say wo me obia we the position Manchester Ford heni bi da yesi sia no mad the 4 person o ye enti yesi Avero Abelua so atase say we player o normal na kwabna 9 na abebo enya fi na ye ba be convert o ana ko inside out ni ade and if you betema we be come na left you can say right backs in left backs we be say yes wings no makato mo o ma ba be say mad the players so mo mpe enya katim bia obo track abna ye 3 eto all the ball be etum no apedem e dia man no my 11-7 ni mo aba say enya vi na katiko wura vivi mad the players no enya Avero Belu akaya sa Belu aso atase so no mo o se de ni lokosa ezi players ya no makadese tama yesika was so tuni yakasa eya no nya abote kakra team yesa opeyin se wati players na se we dey joint action omo from de amra no no fa ne de amra anti we tatis any the players preference and SNT any idea every man da kate eba e wo dwumade so ne yekatere edema na anona no adansa 1240 tibu kwoto a ano mbisa nse wo since o sa se Eda go with days at Atletico, with days at Chelsea, we by Madrid. Go ben no wada, and I say save ben pa no ya. What kind pa if you say, and then the save of your career. And also, sa save in the and year 2022. When we came a UEFA Champions League game against Liverpool, Sadio Mane. Emania dear be a kwabna besina one no dream no kwan fast yes ade no an mfie mu pa de anyame anim ne sa save ni de anya de se ne rie be fida an ye be say net se no so oh se mo kai ball bi na Sadio Mane oboni inside photo sa na inside out na obo no sa kwabna ade so di case of it no was it tama Sadio Mane nya ball na oye so obo no nim say Sadio Mane de be ko benkum ento safety ko benkum sa what ya no say boy ne nam nifa ho ba no say awurade mawu a ana o say kwabena ene oyire ne ho a na otu ne ho nyina enti mo amadwane o YouTube de mbewu de we sitie was this time no oni option bia so odi ne last nyina begu so na fe odi ne full weight nyina beko ho say ne nsa beko ne nsa nko waye de obetimi aye but also yes ade no ne nsa table no ana pimpo no ana tese esan eye den ebae ento was this save de nyamie nim ne since osan say da go no eno ne boy ofi say wache ball pa na ebom no wache ball utumi say ne mfi nyina na tese sabe utumi say waye ade pa no aye nkoba kakra tibu koto a ade eba na owie no tese na no da omukọ Benfica ko ball game sa game ni re vida kwabna say ball na mu yade o na ne no kwese o ma nya de na nka so mutimi bobo etem ball no mbo beta sa wo Benfica ho no enya beto so pa so beko no kwanya no beta nya is beta ade obetuma ka say return encounter ene ye Santiago Bernabeu eno no mo twen so betimi aba na fe o metimi atane nema ene ye report atibu koto ade eba ewo duma de so UEFA wo mo enso de the top IF revenue sadia ba we who Manchester nya hwe Manchester na nkasa na so head am bra papa bia wo UEFA ntino so me hu o ma nya hwe UEFA for tesa over the top 10 revenues for 2024-2025 in the UEFA season kwabna mo tesa PSG and LED omo anom revenue cost yire pa 144.4 million euros adom revenue omo so ejanuary ya ana Inter enso toso bi no wo munya 136.6 million asra atoso miensa 117.0 million euros afi Barca enso toso 9 wo munya 116.6 million euros ana afi wo mu enya Bayern wo mu toso num Bayern enya 105.9 million Borussia Dortmund atoso sia wo munya 102.2 million euros ana afi Madrid enso enya 101.8 ana yenya Liverpool toso ngoke wonu ya 98.1 million ana for Leverkusen enya 87.1 million ana Atletico Madrid enya 84.9 million and the top 10 and year 2024-2025 UEFA season eba team so mu revenue across one ene ana pay miketre adama wo tumadi so na niko sabo gwamna ba ya foso munto maya kwai ade ya maso ana mudibirika na masamba ne yade ama mkwabna mumfe wo muzi nukula jase mpa de so mbeto amunya sade wo munya sa mistake no wo muzi season ni bana bia am free player wo muni Chelsea ni asem bia and bato Nicola Jackson dia and obesanya aba Chelsea no ene update mensaka ewo tumedie so na CAF president openya ni tina di Patrice Motsepe ese AFCON na man for 2028 no was it be enye 2028 2027 somewhere June July ana yebebo AFCON 2027 to be a challenge ehon yebebo na was now dia tuta se Kenya Tanzania and Uganda and hosti and yakobaka kramenseka ewo dwumade zo na kwabra raja na Angola se yanka mo bi anta se ene sanya yebo itere se dia kwabra se wa ya kokura kro betimi abo osisi ya no emu ya mede papa no so to asa na onko hwem ebuo bi ya de to players ne basiri ya wose sankata ma eyo no na penso na satama so ma ja na penso na no okura ne prime na wose anke beto no 150 million euros anya de to players ya ohwe no waka de o ma asam ne ya yi kwa so ase satam juve mu tam no obi ani de Dani Alves nebo na no onko ti di bia wose akwa bia ya tu ni di home na home de we na players na yesu juve mo na ebo na wo satam wa baba to Dani Alves won tete no ha wo be sidi mbo aba be sa no ho ye de bete nei home yi na teso mbo bo juve mo ani adade no nkoba kakra sa raja na England edi eba wo jumadi so na I go to don so another aduma no nya de ma Tottenham Hotspur mo tese Inter mo na me aduma no na Samuel June yebeko World Cup ne de na omatimi ehudi ombeye na Roberto Di Zabi na afi penya ne jade ma so pate na patetu ne o mo san de adwuma de man enyo man na okay say sisia na say ayiko Daniel Levy ko anse Daniel Levy Samuel September last year mo na na mekwa ma adwenya ma so papa no ko yeso penyin bia ne de current mi hu kwa na minim say mo training grounds won say akwa bia ono na sie no wa pa be fa o ye adwuma no e wo Tottenham Hotspur on the office man Jose Pochettino betime aya adwumanti yɛsɛ san komana sase denden na ɛno nso wɔn hɛ na wɔn adi san komono na ya go to the nano the adwuma yɛ de ma Juve once Juve obo 9 matches wɔ winning 5 draw 3 and olusu baako pɛ wɔkɔ Lazio so wɔbɔ 9 matches wɔ winning 5 draw miɛnsa pɛ and olusu baako ntinka wo hɛ ne pa de anka otimi sɛ adwuma no wɔnim ne ya kama Northern Forest nso kyɛsɛ openya ne tin adi adeɛ sɛ ɛne Pereira Victor Pereira anom pɛ sɛ ɔmo so adi adwuma no ɛde ma no ɔmanya atiase kora wie anse na ano dana okochi Wolves boboko no ɔmo so return back to the Premier League na fe ɔmo na mɛboa ma Northern Hospital Northern Forest boboko na niema enye kama mfamo mchi Evangelos Menanakis he said there was a new head coach ebom wɔn so interim ana kyerɛ ɔba bɛbɔ ɛdɔn ɛyɛ reporter ɛba ɛwɔ dwumadi so na kwabena Old Trafford BBS na Andy Fameko Old Trafford na ana nka mi Old Trafford no okay ɛne yɛn kɔ
okay yɛn to so na yɛn first stories ni bi emetiefo nyina ɛwɔ show no so live on Nhyira 104.5 FM na United story ne de yɛbɛkɔ abansa na mom yɛn kɔ abansa yi esanse Barca for mani abre pa na Barca for se ɔmatena se hu se ewiase we wohwɛ academia wɔn academy no the best na ɔma academy no produce players a born wɔn bɔ pa na Barca for se ɛnfa se ɔma academy no produce players a wɔn bɔ no se clubs ni bi wadwe se wɔn de Barca ɛbɛfa kwambɔne so na ɔmo se wɔn titi player no de 6 million euros release clause ɛde ahyɛm wɔn nkɔhwɛ sɛ Chelsea aba wɔn so mpɛma give 6 million na wɔn de kɔ wɔn se ade ba kɔ ahyɛ wɔn koraa no ɛyɛ Paris Saint-Germain player yɛ fɛ sɛ Pedro Fernandes duro a team fɛ sɛ PSG bɛfa no according to Barca for wɔn se aha wɔn paa nti Barca for no wɔn sporting director Deco wɔn se wɔn de new policy ɛde aba na policy ni sɛ woyɛ Barca academy player na wɔn make you debut ɛde ma under 19 a woman is 6 million euros release clause ebe show contract him and which make debut and my Barca Atletico woman be 10 million euros who make you debut and my first team woman be 100 million euros etimasa phone ayer no mam ay na no pany de wonsam emetif for nyina e show no so na obeke Copa del Rey semi final first leg eba so e Wanda Metropolitano e ma Barca e kolusu 4-0 e wa away e Atletico Madrid na yesi andra meeting eba so na meeting no Barca for a training na meeting ba so ansakona training eba so na yesi meeting no players no ene manager first Hans Flick ene meeting na Hans Flick eka na adwene wo wie no players no so eka omoso adwene na yesi Hans Flick eka che Barca players ne say some first half na omobo edi tie Atletico Madrid 1 elake spirit 2 intensity from 3 ambition na from na ogidie pass say afi Barca pese omogi include asabone de womuba enyeye na owie ena players so mugi na players ne say omoka kire Hans Flick say domusu ebetima kan say omo tactical concerns na tactical concerns say ha line no emu wa too much na si de ne bo ha line ne center circle Barca players ne gidie pass say ha line no wometima bo I just say 2 players ewom bako aye Hafia ena bako aye Pedri it is a Pedri ene Hafia ni wode a e wose manager no tia say e wose mo komachi kakra eno aye anhansema players no wo mo kache Barca manager ye first Hans Flick na no pay no yere wonsam emetifo nyina e show no so na andra Barca training e ba so e was Ciudad Esportiva de Juan Gampa no de me say kan say Hafia aye training e chese nyame ya aduma Barca wo mo game nyame ya aduma Monday omo kwa away e wo Estadio Municipal de Montilivi womani Girona enebo sebibia ko kamade abrante fese Hafia ebetima bo enema tima je from se Barca enano pay no yere wonsam emetiefo nyina e show no so na Barca fo no se omo gidie se nyame aduma third match wome remontada e de tetima je from se Atletico Madrid because according to Barca fo no wom se we oma ya enya de omo nya bi danie na andro e ho Barca website na omo de about 6 reason why a chese Barca ebetima e remontada e de tetima from se Atletico Madrid na Barca for any normal makoma 6 e de aba first one Barca for say Hans Flick ebe fadwuma anima Barca no wonya 6 score lines a chese ometima e remontada na almost 12 matches no emu makomaku 8 Barca ehye 4-0 emu makomaku 4 Barca ehye Real Valladolid 7-0 Woman say team from say Young Boys 5-0. Woman say Valencia 6-0. And I say Olympiacos 6-1. Eti echese Barca ebitime remontada. De tosumi ni Barca for say woman our 3 players a omu game omu ball edi tie Atletico Madrid say 3 players ni nyina no. Woman entima mobi baako aye Pedro anasa brate for say Pedri. And what you have fear and for Rashford. Say 3 players Barca for say nyame aduma. Third match na omu nyina return eti ebe possible say 3 players no. Woman nyina ebitima abo edi matima. From say Barca and what she Barca for say Spotify company sa Barca stadium won be a betimazi esa say one cash ekra no wo kai Barca and Paris Saint-Germain and no Barca e remontada and Tivosa for no ejidie pass company ebeboa amoma ye remontada e de Atletico Madrid and what she Barca for no say yem fatu obi anim say omenya more rest esa say obeka Champions League Barca e boy no wo mo qualify straight e de call round of 16 Atletico Madrid equal playoff just Atletico Madrid about 2 extra games e dey che team je from say FC Barcelona e Barca Atletico ebebre eti Barca ebenya advantage and what Barca force way o my bida e say Champions League game omobo e dey che team from say Paris Saint-Germain no wo mu kolusu 4-0 e dey ma PSG El Parc des Princes wo mu ba company o me remontada wo mu say PSG 6-1 e dey qualify eti o metima qualify and what last one Barca for a crazy precedent. It's not a BSC pain. Woman say 1996-1997 season Copa del Rey semi-final say ano. Woman echo away any Atletico Madrid echo 2-2 return fixture eba so el company na game eba so el company almost say woman say Anchekra and Atletico Madrid woman player first say Milenko Pantic about 2 goals name Ronaldo Luis Nazario we about 3 goals afiablante first say Pizzi and afifigo woman di bi so ema Barca e remontada nti ekwo say ya dia and him say Barca team no woman remontada e dey team je from say Atletico Madrid na no pay no yere won sem emetiefo nyina e o show no and what Michael Carrick, one manager of the month, Premier League January, one energy Edison so and I go Thiago, one also a player, Edema Brentford, player of the month of January. Okay. One also energy Edison now. So we don't even for any coach in India. I will be say Arsenal, City. Unquestion Norwich in the hall, magic player, a coach of the month. Game back with me, tracking therefore. You know. What's the team that is that was team 5? Now, what's it? Barca for some Mary. And 6 reasons why I chose on be remontada.
Reasons in it, and the famous one here against PSG. And so, okay, Champions League
6-1.
I mean, any day, I am mad. But you see, the question I'm person Bisa Barcelona for say. Sa team no me yes remontada ebiniana because team we consider do the question is that for how long na Barca team we go 90 minutes in the second leg we consider go
sir
me what me point as here for say Barcelona and chef for no mini problem they can easily do it but me problem they say can they defend very well as in omun consider go ana. And then the question I'm saying is, Barca di bia wuti ko
penifone dia ba. Ese wala pota na ka che